Hi guys, welcome to Medan Story House. Today the story is about the secret lives of leaves.
Once upon a sunny day, Medhunch was sitting happily in the courtyard, enjoying eating the mango and watching birds hop around. Everything felt perfect, until he noticed something strange. The plants beside him were slowly dying. Their leaves looked dry and sad. Before Medhunch could understand what was wrong, a swirl of dust spun around him like a tiny tornado, and then, poof! Medhunch shrank down to the size of an ant. "Whoa, what is happening?" he whispered, his voice now squeaky and small. Just then, a big ant spotted him and started marching toward him. Terrified, Medhunch ran with all his might. He still held the piece of mango in his tiny hands, but as he dashed across the ground, he tripped, and the mango fell behind him. The ant stopped immediately. Medhunch grabbed the chance and escaped, breathing heavily. He looked down and realized he was standing on a leaf, but the leaf looked strange. It was covered with thick dust, except for one tiny clean spot. Curious, Medhunch stepped closer. Suddenly, whoosh! A magical pull sucked him right inside the leaf. He slid until he landed deep underground, right next to the roots. To his surprise, the roots were crying. "Why are you crying?" Medhunch asked. The roots sniffled. "We are hungry and weak. The leaves can't make food for us anymore." "But why?" Medhunch asked softly. "Because the leaves are covered in dust," the roots said sadly. "They aren't getting sunlight. Without sunlight they can't make food, and without food we cannot survive." Suddenly, Medhunch remembered everything he had learned in school. Leaves have chlorophyll, the green coloring that helps them make food. But chlorophyll needs sunlight. Leaves also have tiny holes called stomata that help the plant breathe and take in carbon dioxide. The roots drink water from the soil, and the stem carries it up to the leaves. When sunlight, air, water, and chlorophyll come together, the plant makes its food. But if the leaves are covered with dust, sunlight cannot reach them, and the stomata get blocked. The roots looked at him with hope. "What can I do to help you?" Medhunch asked. The roots whispered, "You are here for a reason. Maybe you are the one who can save us." As soon as they said this, he turned back to his normal size. Now he understood everything. Nobody had cleaned the leaves in a long time, and the dust was hurting the plant. Medhunch quickly picked up a spray bottle filled with clean water. He gently washed every leaf, one by one. Drop by drop, the dust washed away. The leaves began to shine again, bright green and full of life. Slowly, the plant started making food again. The roots drank the new energy happily, and the whole plant stood tall and strong. Medhunch smiled proudly. He had saved a life, a small, green, leafy life. From that day on, he always remembered, plants need care too. Clean leaves, sunlight, water, and lots of love.